House in Asagiri Kogen by Buttondesign in Fujinomiya, Japan. This is a farmhouse for a rancher located on the Asagiri Plateau in Shizuoka Prefecture, Fuji. As the name implies, the Asagiri Plateau is a ranching area located at the foot of the 870-meter-high mountain, on the west side of Mt. When I visited the area for the first time, I was amazed at the rapidly changing weather conditions of the mountain and the completely different appearance of the landscape during a single day, depending on the tilt of the sunlight. The first step in designing this project was to realize that this scenery is not just scenery, but part of the daily lives of the local residents, and that there is an invisible connection between people and nature. A day in the life of a rancher, which begins with milking, is spent mostly in the vastness of nature. We thought about how to create a comfortable house that would connect the beautifully changing nature in front of our eyes with the peaceful life of the people. We, therefore, planned an earthen floor where family and friends could gather in a straight line connecting the point at the top of Mt.to, center of the house. In the warm season, when the windows are open, a pleasant breeze blows in from the mountainside, and the cool stone floor can be felt with the soles of one's feet. In the cold season, they warm themselves by sitting around the wood stove and watching the flickering flames. Such joys of life are concentrated in this earthen floor. Fuji has been close to the owner since he was a child. The theme of this house was to incorporate this environment itself into daily life along a single line.